Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Aspiring writers, get ready to elevate your writing game with PepperType.ai. Join me on this beginner-friendly journey as we uncover the essentials and harness the power of PepperType AI to craft compiling content with ease. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, first thing first is obviously to go ahead and open the PepperType.ai. So you simply have to go to this website, PepperType.ai, and it will be open for you guys. So this is the website, which is peppercontent.io, and basically to start using it you have to start a free trial. But first let's talk about this platform and what does it do exactly. So here we have the solutions, and as you can see, there is so many solutions that this platform gives and basically provides. First of all, there is some SEO optimization. So you can optimize your online presence with expert SEO strategies. So basically, this is the article that they've made on the page, and we are going to look through it. So outperform your competitors with a winning SEO strategy. Create content that resonates with both your audience and search engines, boosting traffic and generating leads for your brand. Now, it will help you to elevate your search presence, comprehensive strategy, efficiency in scale, and data-driven decisions. Now, what can Pepper help you with? Basically, it can help you to make blogs, so you can create search optimized content with keyword driven strategies, expert content creation and optimization capabilities. Websites, so you can create a data driven SEO strategy and high converting content to drive organic traffic for your business. Footer content, maximize your digital footprint with their strategical crafted footer content optimized for search and engagement. And there is product descriptions, transform visitors into buyers with optimized product descriptions that boost conversions. And there is the e-commerce product page. This can gives you and creates search optimized e-commerce product page meticulously crafted to enhance your experience and drive sales. It gives you even more than that, where-around strategy to ensure SEO success. It has a very good partners in SEO excellence. It has a very decent interface, and even the website themselves. So before you get to any platform, first of all, you check the website, how it looks. The website is pretty good. It looks pretty clean. The colors, everything is really well chosen. So when you look at it and you find something that's professional, obviously like 8 times out of 10 or 9 times out of 10 you will find that this platform is the best and the best. Now also, one of their good solutions that they are giving you video, so you can tell great stories with videos. So it can collaborate with your favorite brands creators to produce top-notch video. So now you say goodbye to video bottlenecks. So there is an end-to-end ownership. We will manage the whole production process for you, from briefing to creative development and scripting on to production and post-production. Extensive talent pool, get access to artists across various tonalities, demographics, and skill sets from their curated network of creators and strategists. One-stop shop, get everything you need in one place, from explainer video to animation films. Pepper does the heavy lifting for you. What can Pepper help you with? Well, as we said, they can make explainer videos, capture attention and educate your audience with detailed explainer videos. They can give walkthrough videos, guide your audience from curiosity to conversion with walkthrough videos. Live action brand videos, elevate your brand story and captivate audience with live action brand videos. Product overview videos, showcase your product's unique value proposition with product overview videos. Case study videos, convert prospects into customers with case study videos. Social video content, engage your audience and expand your reach with social video content. All of that comes of course, and corporate videos. Strengthen your corporate identity and build trust with corporate videos. And this is not it. It has so many domains. It can make you videos of all domains that you want or industries. There's gaming industries, supply chain, tech, food and beverages, BFSI, healthcare, B2B, SaaS, and D2C, which is basically, this one is business to business, and this one I think something to customer or consumer goods. Here, these are all the video formats: animated videos, explainer videos, walkthrough videos, brand videos, product videos, case study videos, social video content, corporate videos, and so much more. You can go through the platform, and it is very, very, very well maintained, well done, and there is a lot of examples of the videos that has been made by them. So you really want to go and check their brand, their tools, and how they are actually making ones or the top high quality videos in the industry. These ones are all made for businesses that are well known in India, as it seems here. So yeah, this is very well known. And of course there is other solutions. They're like here, let me just close these two tabs. There's the content proof your conversion funnel. This one will help you to make high intent leads with content, so it will make you stand out from competitors, showcase unique value propositions, and differentiators with demand gen content that highlights why the product or service is the right choice. Nurture your leads, so you can create content that guides potential customers throughout various stages of the buying process. And finally, support your sales efforts. Equip the sales team with content that aligns with the buyer journey and helps sales reps responsible in providing relevant information to prospects. What can Pepper help you with? So it can give you hub and spoke, amplify your demand generation with their hub and spoke model, create an impact across your content ecosystem. They can make you ebooks and white papers. They can establish your credibility in general qualified leads with ebooks and white papers. Long form SEO, you can boost your SERP ranking and capture targeted lead with their data-driven long form SEO content. Throughout leadership, which can position yourself as an industry expert with throughout leadership content created by subject matter experts. Academics and tutorials drive engagement and cultivate brand loyalty with guides and tutorials designed for skill building and lead conversions. And finally, case study, so you can literally create a case study article for you, and this is also very easy to use. So Pepper Content is very well known AI tool that can help you a lot throughout your business, so make sure to use it. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, and see you guys in the next tutorial.